Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming equipment and getting the right converter. You need an active VGA to HDMI box because VGA is analog and HDMI is digital. Once done, power the converter with its USB or barrel supply. Make sure the converter's power LED lights. Now plug the VGA cable from your PC into the converter's VGA input and secure the screws. Keep the 3.5 mm audio cable ready if the converter expects separate audio input. Next, connect the converter to the display with a good HDMI cable and switch the monitor to that HDMI input. Once powered, the converter will digitize the VGA signal. Give it a moment to handshake with the display. You should then power on your computer so the graphics card sends a VGA signal into the converter. If you need audio, plug the 3.5 mm cable into the converter's audio in and the PC's headphone jack. Audio will pass through the HDMI output. To finish, set your computer's output resolution to a standard HDMI-friendly size so scaling is clean. 16:9 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz is a good default. If the picture looks cropped or flickers, reduce refresh rate and check display settings. Make sure drivers are current and reboot if needed. If there's no signal, first verify the converter's power and LED, then swap HDMI cables or ports. Many problems come down to an unpowered converter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.